Morning guys, it's Saturday, November 4th, and it's around 10:15. I didn't have any cake pickups or anything today, so I slept in a little bit and Chip and I went for a walk around 9. We got back. So today is a day full of cleaning. I feel like I haven't been able to like deep clean certain spots of the house. I haven't been picking up the house and I haven't been vacuuming or cleaning the floors as much, but it is raining outside and I have a dog, so our dark hardwood floors show all of the dirt and hair. I've been liking this camera. I haven't uploaded anything to my computer yet, but hopefully the quality is better than my phone. I'm not sure. But it's easier for me to vlog on the camera than it is on my phone, so I can actually use my phone. Look at this cute picture. Cute. Okay. Like, can you see the hair on the floor? I would love to take a full week off of work and just deep clean my entire house, but I can't do that. So my family and I are going to Disney World. I think I've mentioned this in other videos, but we're going very soon. We're going in like 10 days. I've gone to Disney 4 times. I am like obsessed. I would go all of the time if I could. But this is like most of my family's first time going. I've been twice in high school with the band, and then Seamus and I went in 2018. And now we're going this year in 2023 with my whole family. So my mom and dad and my brother and his wife Holly and their 2 children, Nathan and Olivia, my niece and nephew, and me and Seamus are going. So that's really exciting. I have planned the whole thing and I made the itinerary, and it's just getting really exciting, and I'm gonna try to go through the itinerary more tomorrow and plan everything out. I have a box in my closet of a bunch of Disney stuff that I have to pack, and just I have some clothes piled up that I'm gonna take. We don't have like a second bedroom or something. If we had a second bedroom, I would have my suitcase out probably fully packed by now, but that is not the case. I'm really gonna try to vlog the whole thing and upload it each day if my family isn't too annoyed with me having a camera out all the time. But one of my favorite things to watch on YouTube is Disney videos, so I'm gonna vlog our Disney World vacation and share that with you if I can. I'm gonna dust the whole house first with this Swiffer duster thing that I have, and then I'm gonna wipe the counters and surfaces and then put these dishes away, and then eventually I'm gonna get to the floors because they are a mess. I also want to clean Chip's dishes, yeah, and clean the windows. Hey guys, it's Friday, November 10th. I'm off work today. I'm now on vacation for like 2 weeks, so that's really exciting. My family is going to Disney World and I'm gonna take you along with me. We're gonna start by packing our suitcases. So this is our biggest suitcase. I'm gonna lay all of my clothes out and all of Seamus's clothes out, and we're gonna see if we can put most of our stuff in this big suitcase. Seamus has started up a little pile here of stuff that he might take, and then I have some random things here. I'm gonna bring one of these books with me on the plane. I'm not gonna bring both of them because I know that I'm not gonna read both of them. I did buy a few things at Winners the other day. I got this small laundry bag, a little pack of suitcase locks, and then a shoe thing because I want to take a few different pair of sneakers. If you've been to Disney World, you know you should bring more than one pair so your feet don't rub the wrong way. I also got this bag to put my electronic stuff in because I'm bringing this camera and all the stuff that goes with it because I am going to vlog while we're in Disney World. I also have these 2 suitcases. They were in the set with the big one. I got these when we went to Disney World in 2018. But I think we'll use this one as a carry-on. The small one. And then a backpack as a carry-on too. I'm still unsure. I have to get all of the clothes out of the closet and then we'll go from there. I've been putting stuff that I want to wear to Disney in this box from Amazon. So I'm gonna haul all that out of the closet, lay everything out, and have a look at everything. Just wanted to do a quick update of how I'm packing. I had lined up sticky notes on the counter of all the days and what we're doing on those days. So I've been trying on different outfits that I have and placing them here because I'm trying not to overpack. Last time I brought way too many clothes. Doing that right now. I do have to run out soon, but I have the suitcase ready. So I can finish this later on when I come back. But I just have all of my shorts and stuff out. I'm probably gonna buy a few Disney shirts down there. I only have a couple and I mostly have shorts and tank tops. So we'll see what happens when I get down there. But I'm gonna try to pick all of my outfits and get them into the suitcase tonight sometime. Morning, it's the next day. It is Saturday, November 11th. Just got back from taking Chippy for a walk. My house is a little bit of a mess. Like, I feel like I always think my house is a mess. It's not really. The floors are just a mess all the time. And I had to put all those dishes away. I don't know why we have two of these going on, but if I turn the camera around, I don't know the best lighting to see this, but my whole kitchen counter is all packing stuff. I am going to try to finish, for the most part, packing today. I tried to get some stuff done yesterday. I was a little bit successful. I'm gonna turn this around and show you. I have some clothes in the washer right now that I'm gonna have to add to this. So I'm gonna put a pair of leggings with this shirt. So this is our travel day. I'm gonna put a pair of leggings with that. For supper, it's like a romper thing and I put a denim jacket there. I kind of want to wear the denim jacket on the airplane so I don't have to pack it in my suitcase, so we'll see how that goes. Day one, we're wearing our family shirts that we had made. I'll show you those in a little bit. We're going to Magic Kingdom on day one, so I wrote Magic Kingdom, and then we're going to supper this night, so I might put a dress on this pile too, so we'll see. We're going to Hollywood Studios on day 3. Anyways, I don't want to go through everything, but this is my process of packing because last time Seamus and I went, I brought way too much. And then we bought a little bit of stuff at the outlets, and then coming home, our suitcases were like overweight and obviously we had to pay. I have the rest of our family shirts. Dad thinks that we should keep them all in one suitcase so they stay together, so I'm gonna try to pack them all together. I have my packing cubes ready to be organized. This is a pile of bathing suits and cover-ups. I have some pouches and stuff for organizing things. This is my park bag. I actually, funny story, kind of bought this by accident. I say by accident, but I just didn't know how the website worked. So on Poshmark, the site, it's like secondhand clothing kind of thing. And I saw this, it was brand new with tags. Still had like all of the stuff in the pockets and tags on and everything. So the listed price was like $200, I think, or something like that. So I literally just put in an offer that said $100 just to see if they would like come down in price at all, because sometimes they do that on Poshmark. So I offered the $100, but I didn't realize that once you offer, if they accept, it automatically gets charged to you and is shipped. And I wasn't on the site in a few days, and I noticed like the day before it arrived at my house that I actually purchased it. So this was a big purchase. I probably normally wouldn't pay for this, but it's really cute and it's gonna hold all of my park stuff. And I have another small backpack here that Seamus can wear for park days as well. I also have like my Lululemon belt bag if necessary. I just shoved random things in here for now until I get it together, but I have this extra phone case. I don't know if I'm actually gonna bring that. Umbrella. It's gonna rain a little bit while we're there. We have, Seamus and I have some ponchos in case. And then I have this little pouch that I could keep change in and some cards. I don't know if I'll use this either, but we used these the last trip. I got 2 of the power bank. I'll be using my phone a lot to try to see the wait chimes and all of that. So Seamus and I have one of those each. I have a little fan thing. What else is in here? The cord for the fan. These are for the power banks. And then I have 2 cooling towels. So I might actually hook these to the outside of our bags somehow for Seamus and I, so they don't have to be in there when it's obviously wet. So these things are good. I think we'll use these most in Animal Kingdom because it's much hotter there if it's not raining. So we are going to purchase magic bands when we're there, and I bought these little things to keep the magic band attached. And this will be enough for all of us. I don't have anything else in there, but there is a side pocket. Not sure if I'll put anything in there, but yes. So then I have this toiletry bag that I have a few things shoved into. It is Saturday, so I do have tomorrow to finish up packing as well, but I'd like to pack as much as I can. I have a little list going of things I may have to pick up tomorrow. It is Remembrance Day, so there is nothing happening before lunchtime, obviously, but I think I'm gonna go downstairs and try to run on the treadmill. If you've watched my channel for a while, I've been on and off going to the gym, but I've been really into spin class. That is has been a constant for a while now. Switched locations to where I go to spin class, but I really enjoy it. So I book up all of those that I can through the week. I've been trying to run. My friend Ting ran a marathon in October, and a couple of us were handing him water and stuff, and seeing all the people run made me want to run, so I'm gonna try it. In the past, I have ran, gave up because my legs were so sore and my knee would hurt, so I've been running outside a little bit. I don't love running outside because I want to run on the sidewalk, and obviously there's people driving, and I stop and start a lot, and I know people don't care about other people, but I just don't want people to watch me, so I usually go after it's dark, or I go downstairs on the treadmill. Seamus bought a treadmill recently, so I've been doing that. So I'm gonna try to do a run today. I'm gonna bring the water downstairs, go on the treadmill for as long as I can, and then I'll come up, finish packing, take a break around 11 for Remembrance Day, and then spin class at 3. So that was the best run I ever did. I ran on and off for 45 minutes, and I think it's the shoes. I wasn't in any pain. I actually felt good running. I was able to run for 10 minutes straight at one point, which I never did before, so that was fun. Okay, it's starting to come together. I have my toiletries in the bottom, my curling iron, and then I have a spare laundry bag. These are all our family shirts that we're gonna wear on the first day. I have my bathing suits and cover-ups in here, and I'm just now I'm gonna work on planning out the rest of my outfits and hopefully getting them in this bag.